Well, I'm out yet again for another ride. Didn't know really where to go. I was still looking for somewhere decent to watch the aircraft come into Gatwick. I think this is a... I don't know if you can see it actually. It's coming straight over us. We're not very far. Oh, I love the sound of them here. Another tiddler. It's much more impressive when you get something of a bit of good size. But oh, I can smell the aviation fuel. You shouldn't like it because of the pollution, but I love the smell of it. Yeah, so it's interesting kind of working out. I quite fancy a scooter, as I have done anyway, but I thought, well, if I'm not going to change to a reasonable size scooter, say something around 300 or 400, then why don't I get something just to pop down the shops on when it's light and easy, and also I can do a bit of this sort of thing where I just pop out somewhere, chuck it in the hedge, and well, not literally, but you know what I mean. It's light and you can just pop it somewhere out the way, and you can get to places quite easily. Whereas this, as I say, even kind of with my bad leg, even pulling it back off the road and backing it in here, that's as far as I could get it, and it looks ridiculously flat here. But I'm going to have to get off that bike, and I could yank it back from here. But I couldn't actually twaddle it with my, you know, when you're sitting on it, I couldn't actually kind of push it with just my legs. That's how weak my right leg is. It was me, and here we come. This is a 777. I'm not sure whose make this is. It's come from Antigua. Oh, it's a BA. Should be a little bit more impressive. Let's see if we can get an underneath shot as it comes over. That's a nice sound. Love the sound of them here. Don't know how well the GoPro picks that up, but they sound lovely. Probably BA. It's a little tiddler. Right. Oh, steering feels very light then. It's weird. Right, okay. Oh, nose is touching the visor, that's weird. Right, okay. Tip that up a bit. Got a feeling I need a new visor for the helmet. So, I cleaned it the other day, but it's sun's on it, it's got some scratches on it. Right, it's showing probably something like 17 degrees. But it feels, there's no breeze, and it's sunny, so it feels really nice. It's a horse poo, fairly fresh. Could denote that we are about to meet the owner, or the previous owner of that poo. I've done this one before, so I'm not going to bore you, but it kind of get a nice sort of, oh, look at that. How nice is that? Right, we're running along the bank of the mill, and down on my right, though you can't see it, and certainly as a child we used to come down here and play in what was the old ruins of the mill, which is down there. And people are feeding the ducks. Over here, get out of the way, and there we are. I should should have brought some food. I could have done that. Yeah, you used to be able to, you can't get in there now, but you used to be able to walk down here and you would be down towards the old mill, but it's all wide, barbed wire and things, and can't see much of it now. Can't see any of it now, so that's a shame. But, yeah. Right. It's nice. Let's see how slow we can go. 8 miles an hour. I don't really think I can go much slower than that without folding off. No, she's just, that's virtually the tick over, just pulling her along there. Interesting. That's very, I don't know what that is. Looks like a floating barbecue. Pointing into the sun a bit here, which is a shame, but it's early enough in the day. I love this spot. It's a lovely place. Used to come here quite a lot in my childhood. It was quite close to where my nan lived. So, should we have a quick look over the bridge? Nobody about, is there? As usual. There's quite a bit of water going through at the moment. We've done this before, so I won't linger here.